great. Everyone here is so happy. There's not a sad face around.
Steinbach is just awesome for support. Like, you get it all around no matter where you're at.
3 more to go, Linda, and you win. Oh, she got 2. Yes! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You win!
The kids really like the Midway. And they both really enjoyed yesterday at the kids' tent over there, like the water games that they had and getting their face painted. They loved that.
The community has come together and they're here covering all the shifts. All the events have been running, and so it's been great, and you can't have a festival like this without the volunteers.
I think it adds a sense of, community. Just allows people to come together and enjoy local business.